Check out these air-fried chicken parm bites. Let's make them. Cut 1 pound of chicken tenders into 1.5-inch pieces. Then, take a knife and poke a hole into the center of each piece to create a pocket. But be sure not to poke all the way through. Next, cut a ball of mozzarella into small strips, then stuff into each tender. Then, in a bowl, mix 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, and a heavy sprinkling of Daniel's Original. Batter the chicken in flour, egg, then the breadcrumb mixture. Coat your air fryer basket with cooking spray, place in your chicken tenders, then spray again with a cooking spray. Air fry at 400 degrees for 12 minutes, flipping and spraying again halfway through. These are fun to make and you should definitely try them out.